Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Whale Pumps Watermaster system. So stay tuned and we'll have a look. Well everyone, today I'm going to be looking at the Whale Watermaster system. Now this is a brilliant product. I spoke with Whale a while back and asked them if they wouldn't mind sending me one for review, and they've kindly sent one. So let's have a look at it. So let's take a look at what we get from Whale for the Watermaster system. You get 7.5 meters of layer flat hose, the Whale plug system, so it plugs to a caravan or a motorhome that has the Whale system, a tap to hose connector, the Truma Ultraflow adapter, and it has a socket on one end which can allow you to connect to either another hose or to a tap. Okay, we're outside at the van now, and this is the section which is connected to the flat hose, which is the Whale system, and this is the adapter so it fits my van, which is the Ultraflow system. So let's fit it to the van and let's see how it looks. Okay, so we're going to fit this now. So first of all we're going to push in the Whale lock system, and as you can see, this blue tab, that will lock underneath the actual clip to the van itself. You put this on like so, and twist and lock, and there you have it. That's it, snug. Now to undo it, you just unlock that, pull like that, and then pull off your Ultraflow section. So just fit it back on. And there we go. So it's good to go. So now I'm just going to go and fill it up with water, and we will connect it. Before we do, I just thought I'd mention it comes with a black and grey connector. I've got to be honest, I prefer these ones, the hose lock ones. I think they're much better. Now this pitch that I'm on at the moment is quite a large one, so I'm going to have to use an extension piece. There is one that does come in your kit, as you can see, but I prefer these, so I'm just going to go and connect that up now. Okay, so the system's filled the pipe now, and it's filling the system itself. I'll just put that elastic band over there, stop that flapping. Let's go inside now and discuss the rest. So that was the Whale Watermaster system. It's a really good piece of kit, really impressed. We set up last night at Piper's Heights, and I plugged it in, switched the water on, obviously the pump on the van, and I have to admit it was really good. It pumped the water evenly. It didn't judder as much as it does when it's on the Aquaroll system, and the water pressure was quite even, which was a really good thing. Now this is regulated to 1.5 bar, so that's the main pressure coming into the van, and I have to confess it was really good. I had no alarms go on the system to tell me that I was having issues with the water flowing through the actual caravan. So all in all, I was really impressed. It's a good kit because of what you get. You get the extension piece, as we discussed at the top of the video, and you also get the Ultraflow connector, all in one package for 60 quid. So I think it's a really good value for money, this. I know you can shop around and you might be able to get it a little bit cheaper, but I think it's one that we're going to be keeping, and we're going to be running in the van on every service pitch we go to. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. So for now, bye bye.